Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat prep channel Quantifiers. So after a break of a few days, we are yet back again with another set, DILR set of the day. Now in today's set, we are going to discuss a very good concept on averages. The question is more or less often seen in the averages, but yes, a DI set made out of it, a very good set. Now, before I move forward, like always, if you are a serious cat aspirant, please join our Facebook and Telegram doubt discussion group. If you are missing these, you are missing on a lot of things, right? And if you wish to receive these PDFs in your WhatsApp directly, just fill out this form, right, in the Google description in the description of this video, and you will start receiving these sets, right? What is in the set? Our read of the day, RC of the day, and this set, right? A PDF form, this set. So please make sure that you are, leveraging this. Now let's understand what is today's set all about. It says 5 girls and 4 boys of a class were to be sent for a sports camp. Their teacher was asked to measure the weight of these students, but the weighing machine available in school was defective and only measured the weight greater than 100 kgs. So basically weighing machine defective थी और उसमें सिर्फ 100 kgs से ऊपर वाले weight आ रहे थे. Hence the teacher decided to measure the weight of the 3 students at the time. तो टीचर ने डिसाइड किया कि हम एक टाइम पे 3 स्टूडेंट्स का वेट करते हैं and took all the possible combination of girls as well as of boys. राइट. सो बेसिकली गर्ल्स में से 3-3 करके उसने वेट किया, फिर बॉयज में से 3-3 करके वेट किया. शी डिड नॉट मिक्स देम अप. For girls, the measurement was 122, 127, and so on, 1 to 145. For boys, these were the measurements. No two boys and two girls had the same weight. This is the information given to me. Right. Now, what is the basic concept behind this type of questions? Right. Here we are using 3 things at a time. So basically, if there are objects, we are adding up to 3. So I will start with the 2 objects and then I will explain the 3 objects, and this will stay true everywhere. So let us understand the concept first, right? Let us say I have 5 weights A, B, C, D, E in this order. A is lighter than B, B is lighter than C is lighter than D is lighter than E, right? Then if I am adding them in combinations of 2 to each, let us say if I am adding them in the combination of 2 to each, I will have a lot of combination. For example, A plus B is one combination, A plus C is one combination, A plus D is one combination, A plus E is one combination, B plus C, B plus D, B plus E, and so on and so forth. Basically, 5C2, there will be 10 combinations, right? Now, all of the combinations will have some unique weights. Why? Because it is given to me that no two boys or two girls have same weight. So basically the starting combinations will have unique weight. Inside we can have same combinations. What do I mean by that? Whenever you have such combinations involved, the lightest weight is always the bottom two. The lightest weight combined is always formed from the bottom two. So A plus B is giving me, let us say if I talk about the girls, 122 kgs. The highest weight is always the top two. So D plus E is given by 145 will result in D plus E plus result in 145. This is the lightest. This is the heaviest. I'll explain it in further detail right now. And then second lightest and second heaviest. What is the second lightest? Lightest plus the second lightest. So A plus C will result in the second lightest weight, that is 127. E plus C will result in the second heaviest weight, that is nothing but 142, right? So these combinations are those combinations which I can uniquely determine, and then nothing else can be uniquely determined. You can always determine the lightest and second lightest and heaviest and second heaviest. These 4 combinations can be uniquely determined. Let us understand it in this way also. Let us say the 5 weights are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the minimum combination possible of 2 weights is 1 plus 2, 3, right? Second minimum is 1 plus 3, 4. If you see, no other combination will give you 3 or 4, और किसी भी combination से 3 या 4 आएगा ही नहीं, right? 1 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5, whatever you add, you will never get this. So this is the lightest. This is the second lightest. सिमिलरली हैवीएस्ट कौन सा होगा अपना? हैवीएस्ट होगा अपना 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And second heaviest would be heaviest plus second heaviest, 3 plus 5, 8. So these four combinations can be uniquely determined. After that, nothing else is uniquely determined. For example, if I say, let us say 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is also 6. So basically 6 can be extracted from two combinations, but this 3, 4, 9 and 8 will always be extracted from only one combination. So this is the basic funda behind these type of questions, or this is the basic logic behind these type of questions, right? I hope it is clear to you. Now let us say that if there are 5 weights and I am adding 3 at a time, again the funda will remain same. You can identify 4 combinations: lightest, second lightest, heaviest, second heaviest. You can always determine this. What will be the lightest now? You are adding 3 things at a time. So lightest will be adding the bottom 3. So lightest would be nothing but A plus B plus C. I will also show one example to bring clarity. Second lightest would be bottom 2 and this D, A plus B plus D. Because when you have to form the second lightest, bottom 2 have to be there when you are adding 3 products, and then C is already used, so the weight higher than C. So A plus B plus D. Similarly, heaviest one would be C plus D plus E. And the second heaviest one would be, you will keep the D plus E, and then you will not use C, you will use B. Right, so you can combine these things. So if I take the example, let us say the 5 weights are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, these are the 5 weights. Then what are the bottom 3? Bottom 3 is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, the total is 6. This is the lightest, and no other combination will give me this. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 2 lightest, and then this 4. This is 7. No other combination will give me this. No other combination. 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. No other combination will give me this. Similarly, the heaviest one, 3, 4, 5, that is 12. It is the heaviest one. And then second heaviest one would be 5, 4 and 2. 11. So these are the combinations which are again can be uniquely determined. Once you have reached up to this step, now once you have understood this, now the question is gone. It is now just a matter of seconds when you will be able to extract your results, right? Let us understand it. Now first of all, I will solve for 5 girls and then I will solve for 4 boys. So 5 girls, let us say the girls are this: A, B, C, D, E, where E is the weight of the heaviest girl, A is the weight of the lightest girl available, right? Now I am given the weights like 122. So let me write them down: 122, 127, 130, 130, 133, 134, 137, 138, 142, 145. These should be 5C3 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 weights. Now I can make 4 of the equations. How can I make 4 of the equation? 122, which is the lightest weight, would be made by A plus B plus C is equal to 122. The second lightest, 127, would be made by A plus B plus, skipping the C, D, 127. Right. 142 would be made by D, E and B. That is the second lightest. And CDE is 145. So these are the 4 equations that I can make. But there are 5 variables, which will be the fifth equation. Think it out, think it out, think it out. Very good if you have reached that. See, when I will add all these weights, these are all the combinations of 3, 3, 3, right? This is ABC, this is ABD. Similarly, this is BDE, this is CDE. These are all the combinations of 3, 3. I don't know which 3, but these are all the combinations of 3, 3. Now let me think that one variable will be repeated how many times. अगर मैं सारी equations को as it is add कर देता हूँ, if I am adding all the equations as it is, what is the value I am getting. So if I see what is the best way to in this type of questions, first of all, when I have to make the combinations of three, reserve A reserved, and I can take two places in 4C2 six ways. So basically A will repeat six times. If you are confused that how it is six times, let me make one case manually. With A, it would be ABC one case, ABD second case, ABE third case, ACD fourth case, ACE fifth case, ADE sixth case, right? So these are the six cases in which A is involved. Since everything is symmetrical, so if A is involved six times, B is also involved six times, C is also involved six times, D is also involved six times. If I will add all of these together, so basically the fifth equation would be nothing but six times A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to, if I add this up, 7 to 9 to 12, 4, 4, 16, 23, 23, 33, 38, divide by 10, 16, 19, 8, 3, 10 and 3, 13. So 1, 3, 3, 8. So this gives me A plus B plus C plus D plus E as 130, 1338 divided by 6. That is 6 to the 12, 1, 3, 6 to the 12, 1, 8, 6 to 23. Now I have a lot of things in my hand and I can actually use them up. Right, A plus B plus C is 122. If I replace it here, A plus B plus C 122. D plus E would be 223 minus 122. That is nothing but 101. So D plus E is 101. Now B plus D plus E is 142. B plus D plus E is 142. Right. So if I put D plus E as 101 here, B would be 41. B would be 41. Yes, B would be 41. Okay. So, okay, let me write B is equal to 41. I am putting D plus E over here. Similarly, if I put D plus E over here, then C would be how much? 145 5 minus 140 101. So C would be 44, right? C would be 44. Now I have B and C. B and C I have 41 and 44, 41 and 44, 85, 85, 15 and 22, 37. A would be 37, right? A would be 37, right? Now I have A, B, C, everything, right? So now B, D, E or C, D, E. So I can actually put B over here, C over here, and I will get two equations in D plus E. So that will be same. I think that will be same. So what I can do now is I can use ABC as here, right? ABC as a tool, or I can say CDE as a tool. I will find the value of A plus B, and then I will put A plus B here and find the result, right? A plus B here and find the result. So what is the value of CDE? 145. So A plus B would be nothing but, and that I already have, A plus B I already have. A is 37, B is 41, 78, D would be 22, 27, 49, right? E is the last variable left. If I put it here, D plus E or C plus D plus E would be 52. He would be 52. So in this way, I can now map all the things, right? I can now fetch all the results. I can map all the things. So this completes my combination for the girls, right? So basically, I have to find everything. So I am not perplexed about anything. I am not in any kind of haste to reach out the answers. Let me calculate everything so that I can now solve it up. Now I know that the five weights of the boys are in this. Five weights of girls are in this. A, B, C, D, E are in this. So this I can. I am least concerned about their names. I don't have the names. I know that the lightest one is 37, right? Which is less than 41, which is less than 44, which is less than 49, which is less than 52, right? So these are the five weights involved, right? Now, when I talk about the four boys now, when I talk about the four boys, and I have to take three at a time. So A, B, C, D are the four boys. Let's say again, A is less than B is less than C is less than D. Four boys. I have to take three at a time. So the total combinations are four combinations. That are these combinations. Again, what will be the lowest one? ABC will be the lowest one. So A plus B plus C, which is the lowest one, is 163 kgs, right? It is 163. ABD would be the second lowest one. ABD would be the second lowest one. That is nothing but A plus B plus D is equal to 165. Right. Highest one would be BCD. That is nothing but 174. Second highest would be A and CD. Right. We have discussed all the theory. A plus C plus D is nothing but 170. Now, if I add all of them together, if I add all the equations together, right, this is very simple now. You can also visualize. A will come four times. Sorry, A will come three times. Three times. ABC, ACD, ABC, ABD, ACD. Yeah, A will come three times. Everything will come three times. So three times A plus B plus C plus D would be 5, 3, 8, 4, 12, 13, 21, 22, 27, 6. 672. So basically A plus B plus C plus D would be 1, 2, 224. So last time the average total was 223. 6 of I remember that when I added them all together, 6 times A plus B plus C plus D plus S. So the total of boys, that is the total of these was 223. The total of girls is nothing but 224. Now, this is fairly easy to solve. A plus B plus C is already there. If I will substitute here, I will get the value of D, right? So the value of four boys would be nothing but the heaviest boy, 163, 61. The second heaviest boy, if I put ABD 165, 35 and 24, 59, right? Third heaviest would be if I put, I have to find B, no. So ACD 70, 30, 24, 54. And then if I put BCD 174, 26, 24, 50. So these are the four boys, right? These are the four boys that I have. Now my life is sorted. I have all the results with me, right? Or let's now move on to the questions. What is the average weight of nine students? Average weight of nine students is total weight of boys, right? And total weight of girls, and total there are nine students. So divide by 9, 22.47, 447 by 9 would be 9 4 the 36 8 7 9 6 0 9 6 the 54 6 0 49.666 is, so 49.67 is the average weight. Fourth option, right? Okay. Second, what is the difference between the second heaviest boy and the second lightest girl? Second heaviest boy, second lightest girl, the difference is 18. Difference is 18. What is the weight of the heaviest boy? 61. And what is the weight of how many girls weigh less than all the boys? So 50 is the lightest. So if I have to take all the boys, I will take the lightest one, right? So that would be four girls. Oh, sorry, four girls. This option, second option, right? So this completes my set. I hope you have enjoyed learning it. A very good mathematical combination here, right? If you understood, please do subscribe to our channel. And our new batch has started just now. So if you would want to increase your learning curve, this is the right place to be. Welcome to Quantifiers. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Take care.